went to 2 Dollar Trees, and the second Dollar Tree I went to, when I pulled up, there was 2 cop cars outside. And I'm kind of disappointed with this Dollar Tree. Shame on you, Dollar Tree. I kind of overheard everything that was going on, and there's a lot of discrimination for people of color, people with tattoos, people that are homeless, etc. Well, this woman had the cops called on her because they said she stole something. When the cops were questioning everything, the woman, they didn't see the woman put anything in her pants. The woman was homeless. She was, shopping in the little food section. And the cops couldn't search her because the Dollar Tree stated they didn't see her steal anything. So why would they call the police on her? I think it's discrimination. I think it's harassment. I'm really ashamed of the Dollar Tree, because then they made the homeless woman leave without being actually caught stealing anything. Poor thing. I went to try to look for her after I grabbed a few things, and to see if there's anything I could get her, but unfortunately I couldn't find her. But I don't know, I'm really disappointed in you, Dollar Tree.